In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a white label domain to your GoHighLevel agency account. We'll walk through configuring your branded domain inside GoHighLevel, which is a key foundation for a professional experience and helps set you up for smooth messaging and calling later on. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website and signing into your agency account. If you're already logged in but only see a single sub-account, switch to Agency View so you have access to the agency-wide settings we need. From your dashboard, click Settings and make sure you're still in Agency View. Inside Settings, open the Company tab. Scroll until you find the White Label Domain section. This is where you'll connect your own branded subdomain, so your team and clients log in through a URL that matches your brand. Enter a custom subdomain such as app@yourdomain.com. Use a subdomain you own, and don't include HTTP or HTTPS, just the subdomain and your domain. GoHighLevel will now display DNS instructions, usually a CNAME record. Copy the exact values provided and keep this tab open so you can come back to verify. Next, log into your domain provider like GoDaddy or Hostinger and open your domain's DNS management or zone editor. Create a new CNAME record. For the host or name field, enter the subdomain portion only, typically app. For the value or target field, paste the value provided by GoHighLevel. The default TTL is usually fine. Save your changes. DNS updates can take a little time to propagate, anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on your provider. When you're ready, return to GoHighLevel and click Verify. If verification doesn't pass right away, give it a bit more time, then try again. Double check that there aren't conflicting DNS records, like another CNAME or an A record on the same host, and make sure there are no extra spaces or typos. Once verification succeeds, enable the white label domain setting. GoHighLevel will handle the secure certificate automatically, so you don't need to add anything extra. To confirm everything is working, open a new browser tab and visit your branded domain. If you've recently made DNS changes, try an incognito window to bypass caching, and make sure the platform loads under your brand. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.